Hi everyone, I hope you're all safe and well and keeping as busy as you'd like to be at the moment. I wanted to take this opportunity to say thank you. It has been a huge privilege to have been your head girl for the last year, and I have so enjoyed meeting new people and getting to know some of you a bit better. Particular highlights for me have got to be the Christchurch Carol service, a prize giving last year, and of course the opening of HSO6, our new sixth form centre. In fact, the last 2 years have been my favourite in all my time at Headington, and I feel I have learnt a lot about what it is to be a leader. For this reason, I'm so excited to be handing over the role of head girl to Millie. Having acted in school plays with Millie in the younger years and then seeing her and chatting with her around the sixth form centre, I know she has all the qualities of a great leader. Kindness, compassion, confidence, friendliness. You will have already seen her in virtual assemblies and perhaps be taking part in the great initiatives that the trio is already leading for our school community. So without further ado, I would like to say a final thank you. This has been the most incredible experience I could ask for. And now I am so happy to be handing over to your new head girl, Millie.
Thank you, Georgie. Hi everyone, I'm Millie and I'm so excited and beyond delighted to be your new head girl. This is the head girl book, which has advice written in from 8 other head girls before me, so I'm thrilled to now have it. As you're all aware, I'm taking over from Georgie, so I'm so proud to be able to follow behind such a kind and inspiring person. Since being in the upper 3, I've always looked up to the head girls and how conscientious and approachable they all seem to be, so I really do hope I can now be that figure to many of you. Particularly being in the year just below Georgie, I've been able to see just how warm and friendly she is as a person, so I really do hope I can do just as good a job. It really is an honour to be taking over from you, Georgie, and I hope we continue to stay in touch. Thank you for all your help so far as well. I can't wait to get back to school and get to know all of you better, but for now, I hope you're all keeping well and safe, and do feel free to contact me whenever about whatever, as I'm more than happy to talk. I'd also like to encourage you to get involved with everything the school is offering to you virtually, as I think it's so important we keep the sense of our school community alive. Also, do try and stay positive, because remember, we're all in it together, and in a year's time from now, this will all hopefully just be a memory. I look forward to speaking to you all soon, and I can't wait to be back at school with you all.
It's almost surreal that after 15 years of being at Headington, my time is coming to a close. I'm so grateful for all of the amazing people I have met and opportunities I have had along the way, none more so than being head of day. The chance to both give back to a school I owe so much to and take on a new challenge was the perfect way to round off my time here, so thank you. I'm sure that Lex, your new head of day, will have just as positive an experience. Having known Lex for some time through the CCF, I know that she'll do a brilliant job this year. She has shown herself to be a leader, but also a team player, unafraid to speak up, but ready to listen, determined, but always putting others first. Yet, arguably most importantly, Lex's kindness and selfless commitment towards our school and everyone in it is unmatched in my opinion. From sports to CCF, she throws herself into everything she does, making her a wonderful role model for our community. So for the last time, thank you, Headington, and it is my pleasure to be handing over to Lex.
I've had the pleasure of getting to know Teresa through CCF. During that time, the thing that resonates through is Teresa's passion and sincere love for our school. You should be immensely proud of the legacy that you will leave and what you've accomplished during your time here. Last year, as well as being the head of day, Teresa was also the head of CCF, performed in the chamber choir and completed the IB, always with a huge smile on her face. I've been so lucky to be able to call you a friend, and I will treasure the advice you have given me. I now can't wait to start to pave my own journey as the new head of day.
Being head of boarding has been one of the most incredible experiences I've had. It has allowed me to see another side of the school that I'm so grateful to have seen. This role has taught me so much about myself and has given me the confidence that I need, not only in school, but outside as well. I'm so glad that I've been given this opportunity and will remember it for a long time to come. And I'd like to thank all the staff that have supported me in this role, and especially Georgie and Teresa for making it such a memorable year. However, today is about Juliet, the new incoming head of boarding, and I'd just like to say a huge congratulations. You'll be great. Enjoy.
Thank you, Katherine. Hello, everyone. I'd just like to start off by saying how eternally grateful I am to be standing here talking to you all today as your new head of boarding. Ever since I joined Headington, I have always looked up to and aspired to be like the head girl trios before me. So being granted the opportunity to become a member of the head girl trio myself still amazes me to this day. While I am saddened that we cannot currently be together as a community back at school, and that my prefect role has not quite begun in its usual manner, I have already found so much enjoyment out of this role in these past few weeks, getting to connect with and know so many more students and members of staff despite our geographical distance. I am so excited to continue working on this role, both virtually and hopefully back at school from September, and cannot wait to see what this next year will hold. I'd also just like to give a huge thank you to Katherine. From being in the same boarding house, we've both gotten to know each other over this past year, and she has not only become an amazing friend of mine, but also a friend to the entire boarding community. Katherine has always been there as a friendly face for all of us boarders, and has made a truly incredibly positive impact on our community. She has done an amazing job over her past year as head of boarding, and we will all miss her dearly. So, I am again endlessly grateful to be following in her footsteps as head of boarding, and cannot wait to see what this next year will hold, working together with Millie and Alexia and getting to connect with so many more of you back at home. Thank you.